Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials, and Dimma Tutorials, as you guys already know, is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. So today's video is for my JAMB-UTME online students. Okay, today I was teaching them tenses. We learned Concord last week. We learned the rules of Concord last week, and we answered questions on Concord, different questions on Concord, different Concord rules last week. And this week we are focusing on tenses. We learned simple present tense, how to use simple present tense, and answered questions on it from the past questions. And we were looking at present continuous tense before the network became very bad that we couldn't continue. So this was the question that we were looking at before the class ended. So this video is actually for them, okay, to complete the lessons for them and to give them the explanation to the question that we are considering before the class ended abruptly. Okay, the women at the party along with their friends dash. Remember I said last week we learned Concord, we learned rules of Concord, and one of the rules of Concord that we learned was a complement Concord. And a complement Concord has to do with having more than one noun at the subject position of a sentence. Now when you have more than one noun at the subject position of a sentence and those nouns are being joined, okay, are being connected with each other with some connectives like along with, in conjunction with, in association with, okay. Now, when you have such sentence, your attention should be on the first noun that is in the sentence. Okay, that's what I discussed with them last week. The attention should be on the first noun that is in the sentence. Now, the first noun that is in this sentence is women. Okay, so if the first noun that is in the sentence is plural, the verb also has to be plural. If it's singular, the verb has to be singular as well. Okay, now the women are the party along with their friends dash. The women are the party along with their friends dash. Okay, we have option A are enjoying, B B is enjoying, C are enjoying themselves, D was enjoying themselves. Which of these is correct? Okay, first you have to apply the rule of Concord, the rule of a complement Concord, where the verb has to agree with the first noun that is in the sentence. Okay, we have the women along with their friends. Okay, the women is what we are looking at. The women is plural, though friends is also plural, but our attention is on women. Okay, so the verb we are going to choose here, so the verb that is going to be here, that's going to fill the gap, should be plural as well. Okay, so we are going to look for a plural verb. We are going to strike off any option that contains a singular verb. So we're going to strike off this option and this option. We're left with option A and option C. Now, which of these is correct? Which of these is correct? Okay, is it option A or option C? Which of these is correct? Now, option C is correct. Option A is not correct. Now, why is option A not correct? Why is option A not correct? Now, option A is incorrect because the word enjoy is a transitive verb. The word enjoy is a transitive verb, okay? The word enjoy is a transitive verb. This simply means that the word enjoy requires an object. The word enjoy requires an object for it to make a complete sense in a sentence. You don't use the word enjoy without an object. You don't say I am enjoying. That's a wrong English expression. I know that we say that a lot in this country. The expression is not I am enjoying, you are enjoying. No, those expressions are actually incorrect in standard English. So the right expression is I am enjoying something. Okay, I'm enjoying the movie, I'm enjoying the class, I'm enjoying the lesson, I'm enjoying the ride. Okay, you have to enjoy something. The verb must go with an object. There has to be something you are enjoying. You have to mention it in the sentence. You have to mention whatever it is that that the verb enjoy is acting on. Okay, so the word enjoy must go with an object. So that's why this option is incorrect. A transitive verb is a verb that requires an object. A transitive verb is a verb that must act on an object. Okay, you don't use transitive verbs without an object. Okay, for example, read. Okay, you don't say I am reading, you rather say I am reading a book. Okay, you don't say I read, you say I read something, I read a book. I read a book, I read an article. You have to read something. So the word read has to go with an object because read is a transitive verb. You don't say I borrowed, you rather say I borrowed something. I borrowed a book, I borrowed a pen. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your book? Not can I borrow. Borrow has to go with an object. Okay, you have to borrow something. Borrow has to go with an object. So transitive verbs are those verbs that must go with an object, and enjoy is one of those verbs, okay, that must go with an object. So option C, are enjoying themselves, is the correct answer. I are enjoying themselves. This is the correct answer. They're enjoying themselves, not are enjoying. They are enjoying themselves, okay, not themselves. I've seen a question like this too in post-UTME, not just in JAMB past questions, but also in post-UTME, okay. You should expect a question like this. You know that in this country, we commonly use enjoy without an object. And one of the in post-UTME, I think it was Abia State University post-UTME, that I saw a question like this. One of the options, yes, I also saw it in UI post-UTME past questions. One of the options was they are enjoying themselves, okay. They are enjoying themselves. There's no such thing as themselves. There's no such word as themselves, okay. It's themselves. There's no such word as themselves, okay. Please take note of that. So the correct answer, like I said, is option C. Now if you've not joined our online classes already, it's important to join us if you are serious about smashing this is JAMB-UTME, because we have strategies that we've employed to make sure that our students score 350. We're almost at the end of January, and we started our lessons since November 4. We've covered a lot of topics, Our intention is to cover the syllabus by the end of February. By the end of February, we are going to cover our syllabus, and by March, we'll start revisions. So make sure you join us immediately, okay? Use this number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. If you have not joined us already, the fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month. That's the fee, 1,000 naira per subject per month. Please, I want to state this, okay? The fee is minimal. 1,000 naira per subject per month is minimal, is very small compared to the value that you're going to get in our classes. Our classes are every day, like from Monday to Sunday. Every single day you are learning in our classes, okay? The program is student based, okay. We structured it in such a way that to be to the best benefit of the students, because our goal is to produce students who are going to score 350, and we made the fee minimal. 1,000 naira per subject per month is nothing compared to the value that you're going to get in our classes. It's nothing compared to the value you're going to get in our class. Don't send me a message asking me to reduce the price, please. And I don't think there's any online class where you can pay as low as this. This is the cheapest, and why I made it the cheapest is because the goal is not to make money. The goal is to ensure that Dimma Tutorials produces the highest scoring candidates this year. Okay, that's my 2025 goal, to produce students who are going to score 350 and above. And we've structured our lessons in such a way that we are going to get this result. Aside from the intensive lessons that go on every day, we conduct quizzes at the end of every month, and we have a study group where students challenge each other to study, and we have student-led classes where students teach on a particular topic in the subject that they are going to sit for in the exam. So we schedule students to take on a particular topic in any of the subjects that they are preparing to sit for in the exam. So make sure you join us if you want to be among those who are going to smash JAMB-UTME this year. We are doing everything possible to ensure that our dream of producing the highest scoring candidates comes true, okay. And I employed the best teachers you can get. I employed the best teachers for the different subjects. In chemistry we have 2 teachers, in biology we have 2 teachers, we have physics teacher, we have mathematics teacher, we have service teacher, we have literature teacher, we have government teacher, we have economics teachers. So we have teachers of all the subjects. Make sure you join us if you really intend to smash JAMB-UTME this year, and not just to gain admission and study any course, but to study that course that you desire. make sure you join us. Use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. Like I said earlier, the fee is just 1,000 naira per subject per month. Very minimal. Okay. All right, that will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and you learned something from it. Like I said at the beginning, this video is actually for my online students. This is just a tip of the iceberg of the things that we learn in our online classes. This is just very little compared to what to gain when you join us. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, thank you and bye.